South Africa launched its deepest raids into Angola for what's known as the South African Border War.
Ek het nie geweet dat my pa enigstens in die oorlog was nie. Hy het nog nooit hieroor gepraat nie. Hy het nog nooit vir iemand hiervan vertel nie.
Daar is magte in die wêreld wat om Suid-Afrika 'n diensknegt te maak as deel van die slawerny van kommunisme.
Dit is maar net, jy gaan nou weermag doen.
You're 17. You can be manipulated to do what it is that they want you to do.
You were aiming your rifle. Did you kill someone? How did you feel about it?
There are certain things that happen that is locked up and the keys thrown away.
They don't want to talk about it. And some of them have done so many bad things that they dare not talk about it.
Die Nasionale Party, dit was 'n magtige masjien. Hulle was georganiseer in geheime organisasies en goed. Ore wat luister wat jy sê. Ouens wat jou dophou.
Daar's gebroke huwelike, daar's gebroke gesinne, daar's gebroke kinders wat gelei het onder hierdie stilswye.
It's something we should be reckoning with. It's not something that we should continue to sweep under the rug.